Hello guys! Welcome back from my YouTube channel, Life with Dearly. So, as you can see, we're gonna shop 3 kayaks today. One for me and one for Kevin and for Daniel. So, and then after that, after we buy the kayaks, we're gonna go fishing. We're gonna do jogging. So today, it's another family day. And I hope you guys join us.
Wow, 99 bucks flat.
How much?
$99.
Oh my
10
gosh.
feet long.
Wow.
Is that you, friend? Look at this. Oh, honey, they got trunks. So you can unzip the trunk. Open it. Look at that.
That looks so cool.
Put your snacks in there.
Honey said he can hold his food in there.
You got some fried chicken to put in there, huh? We can slide it right up in there with your water, your drinks, and then that way you just turn around and...
Wow.
Wow, this is for your fishing pole. Look, honey. Right here, get this. This is a pole holder. Put your fishing pole out there.
Yeah. They're like for on sale, no?
Yes, no. And then look, here in the front, some cargo spot. You take that up, move it up. You can put your bait or your fishing stuff. That's where I'll put my hooks and sinkers and worms.
Wow, this is oh my. Honey, we came here in a perfect time.
Yeah, these are probably...
So we got these 3 kayaks.
We didn't get the orange one, sadly.
Yeah, because this one is the cheapest and that one is expensive. $350 each, and this one is $229. Are you still? Yeah, are you still excited?
Yeah.
Good. It's not about the kayak; it's about the fun. No, no, fun. No. We're on the way to the water. Look at that, Kevin. He's dragging the 2 kayaks, and me, I'm dragging the one. Because we have 3, one for everybody. This is so exciting. Han, very light, no?
Yes, no.
It's so light. I love it. Okay. There you go. Kevin's turn. Hurry up, Crazy Lake. Joke. He did all the work. Sir, our monkey boy. Do you like it, buddy? Good. Oh wow. Honey, I think the backpack is wet now.
It's all right. It's waterproof.
Yeah, that's true. Wow, this is so fun, huh?
Yes, no.
This is so much fun. I love it.
Why don't you marry it?
Okay, let's go. Look at that. We've been paddling for almost a mile. Are you guys okay? They look so cute. Daniel is doing such a good job.
Well, hello there.
We're taking a break. Are you guys still having fun?
Yeah, we're gonna have a food break.
Food break again, huh? Are you still hungry?
Yes.
You work up an appetite rowing up the river. We've gone about a mile.
I
Huh?
want
Eh.
Burn those calories. You got to replace them, huh?
what?
This is my kayak. So beautiful. Did you see the what you called it, like the
Rhododendron.
no, the trees like mirror, like
Reflection.
yeah, reflection. So pretty.
You see the rhododendron flowers? Aren't those beautiful?
Yeah, I know. It's beautiful. I'm gonna take a close shot. That one, it's so pretty. Okay, guys, we're gonna keep going.
After we eat.
Okay. Okay, buddy, we're gonna eat first, huh?
Okay, thank you.
What you're having there, buddy?
PB&J.
Good. Do you like it?
First PB&J in my life. I'm not a fan of PB&Js, but I like this one.
Good, because daddy make it, right? Yeah, so that's what Daniel having. So look what I'm having. Green mango. Did you see that? It's so,
And a knife.
yeah, and the tiny knife. See? To have space, I poke the knife through the mango. See? Yep. So we're having a food break. I'm having green mango. Sour. Kevin forgot my shrimp guts. That was good for this.
What do you do with shrimp guts?
Dip.
Use it like a sauce, like a dipping sauce?
Yeah. My dipping sauce. Oh,
How's it smell, the shrimp guts?
smells bad.
So do you think Kevin really forgot to bring it by accident?
No. It's okay. Oh.
Well, he actually did this time. You having fun kayaking, buddy?
I finished my PB&J.
You ate the whole PB&J, huh?
Now I need my chips.
Now you need some chips, huh? Okay.
He's a eat monster, no?
Yep.
My favorite chips are cream and onion.
Sour cream and onion? All right. You eat those, buddy. You get us a close-up upstream past our kayaks. We've come a ways. We got a ways to go, huh?
Yep.
Going up, further up you go, the bigger the catfish are, huh? You can't even paddle a kayak without giggling, can you?
No, because the current is so strong and then I want to look like cool.
You want to look cool?
Yeah.
And just singing about that makes you giggle, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, it's fun.
You look nice in your kayak, honey.
Thank you, honey. Thank you for buying this.
No, you're welcome. Oh, who's that? There's Daniel.
He's
Ready to go in the water whenever.
So we're ready to start heading back upstream to where the big catfish are?
Yep.
All right.
Okay guys, Kevin is preparing our jogging. Daniel and I were hanging out in here.
I'm getting like these leaves, like the punch me.
Did you see that bottles? That's what we're using for jogging.
One down there.
We're doing
You can see
jogging.
that like right above my thing.
Yep, we're gonna get them later. So don't worry about it. This is where we like to jog because this is where we always caught a giant catfish. Oh, did you see that one bottle? Somebody.
One's getting caught.
Yeah, I know. No, wait. Gotta wait. Somebody. See that? Did you see that?
Yes. Mom, I'm gonna go get it.
Wait. Did you see that?
Yes.
Just wait. Just wait, buddy.
Mom, and look at the one down there.
Yeah, we're getting a bite. The third bottle.
Which one? The one way down there?
Yeah, also this one.
Okay, these are kind of...
Get away from me, Otto.
Daniel, he's so excited.
What? Buddy, you might want to let me get them because you might tip your boat. Okay, you think that one's got a fish on it? I think it does.
Yeah, it's like running away from
Okay, do you need to get away from it or just...
Daniel is so excited.
Oh, that one.
What?
God, the current is so fast. Did we get a fish, honey?
No, Dad, that's the wrong one.
Daniel, shh. No, and this one is not the line of that one.
Okay.
Just wait, buddy. Daniel, don't scream at me, huh? And buddy, make sure that you don't bump into me and I don't bump into you, huh?
He's so cute. Cute baby. By the way, guys, we didn't cut any. Third time in a row. Didn't cut any fish. That's not good. You know that? It's not very good. So now we're heading home.
Heading home.
It's like everybody looks sad. Didn't cut any fish. But it's okay. We all had fun. Oh, buddy. Daniel hit me. It's okay. Even though we didn't cut any fish. We all had fun anyway. So it's all good in the hood. I hope guys you enjoy watching this video. And please subscribe and likes. And please click the bell button there. So that every time I upload video you get notified. Where's my husband? Oh, there he is. Oh, it's very far. Say bye-bye, honey. Wow, I cannot see he's waving. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, buddy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you next time. We all look tired. But it was fun. Everybody had fun. So see you next time. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching.
You can do it, buddy. So hard. Hello. I'm eating my chicken.